Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be making a very quick, simple and budget-friendly pudding cake. When guests are at the door, this cake is a lifesaver. You can find the full recipe below the video. I beat eggs, sugar and vanilla sugar with a mixer until foamy. Once the sugar has dissolved, I add water and vegetable oil. I add a packet of baking powder, flour and cocoa powder. First I mix with a whisk, then with a mixer on the lowest speed until all lumps are dissolved. I make sure to grease the baking pan with butter. I pour the batter into the pan and spread it evenly. Tap the pan on the table to release air bubbles. Bake in a preheated oven. Do not open the oven door while baking. Let the cake cool for a couple of minutes after removing it from the oven before taking it out of the pan. Prepare a packet of pudding according to the instructions on the package. I have pistachio pudding. Pour the hot pudding over the cake. Be careful. Hot pudding spreads more easily and evenly over the cake. For decoration, I use pistachios and dried roses. You can decorate it as you like. You can find the full recipe below the video by clicking More. I hope my video will be useful for you. Enjoy, my friends.